Okay, everybody, again, I'm Daniel Azim. I would like to describe for you all the limiting factor that's to be the subject is one. This video is for limiting factor, and this project is for limiting factor. And I'd like to some like definition about limiting factor. Limiting factor is the physical organism and physical place who organisms should be live here, and should be basic need. But basic need is soil, some like water, some like sunlight, and some like air. We have we want to oxygen for alive, because we want to oxygen for alive, yes, trees can do that, and some like trees can do that for air, yes, for sunlight. Some countries, some like some cities, some like Vancouver, don't have sun in some like winter, and because the animal who need and the plants who need sun, the person don't grow the plants that need sun, because we don't have sun in Vancouver in winter, and maybe just we have in summer, just we have sun in summer. And another thing, the I definition sunlight and air, and another thing the food, and because and all things who animals in something like you can see the all I describe for you. Can see the all grass here, here. You can see grass here, all grass here. So you want to know the animal who need the grass, and need the grass who live here. You can see the some like trees here. You can you should know that the animal who need more trees. And we see the asphalt here. Asphalt, you want to know that the person and the you can see the asphalt. You want to know that human lives here. And you can see another the trees and some like leaf here. You can see the some animals like squirrel and rabbit who lives here. You can you can know that in limiting factor and physical physical or physical. And you can see river you can see the river who here. The river is I think it's contained this yard, and you can see the river here. River also is the some like is for crocodile and the fish and the organisms who the animals who can live in some like river, fish, and another organisms who can live in river. Excuse me, we have one key question. If we change the physical place for animal, if is animal alive, I should say for I should the answer is some animal yes and some animal no. Some like we can't to change the we can't change the play and limiting factor the fish, because fish can just only live in the some like you can see you can just live in river and some like sea. But we can change some we can change the limiting factor some organism, some like human and animal, some like rabbit. We can change, and the animal and human can adaptability easier than another organism. And but it's so hard for another some like for grizzly. It's so hard to grizzly bird to go into the some like the cold place. I think the bird can't stand there, and it's so to adaptability. And I think grizzly bird die here who